namukana kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the Belgian president long at King link, of course, na producer, and then from there that xiyevula missed the post the big fan. Yeah, so of course, at 15th June, we can scroll like account here of the group the producer Ben Mayengani the president, of course. One fan scroll if you got all this post and I wish korokoro disambits. Wish korokoro vavanava etlade, of course, a reference from Simra Ben president little something like that. Gupta's family already with I in the mova, so we want to waste time on it. So if you can get the comments, if you can use to send president Mayengani, as you can see, if you get a cool level to room, please. And then I've got a show bow. Let me say something. Oh, okay. I will show boy as you can see there. So at the same time, young advisor, but at the same time, young runga loco he check the origin of this weed. So of course, mama check the origin. Yet mata to Rome. You saw a live le president. Mayengani in the kai what is the wrong. Nikai what said mato kai advice you. Na vanhu vo fana va manyangatso ku yi fike yi tlhela ka pirisa rangana la yi nga fika yi kombisa ku why na yi nga advise pirisa rangana ku a aka two row. Of course, go and stuff like that, like and stuff like that. So that's what so yes, of course, this actually an advice at the same time. Me go show no have the group that look then got more of one at that look panzin, but we president yeri out to Rome. Go auntie, if he's the youngest, Kabonana, Guani, Xitsonga, I do with the youngest, it's Hamakaya and stuff like that. Kokum Karianchich, of course, it also depends on Kunavan Mangamunti and stuff like that. The Kungu, 3-4 study, Hamaka, Kishono Kumitel and stuff like that. So, I read, you want to advise yo. Yeah, so and then of course that okay, so this topic that kid like a solid gezano big fan, I missed the post. Mama take a easy end of video going. You can last wrong from live, you can come so we come back reveleriwa, go Ben Mayengani Dr. Joshiriman and stuff like that. I am getting a little cash beef. Oh, no update, me no master two, no update. No, Zangish Kroela, Elengo, see ivuyini. Ivuyini, as you can see, if you got go. Shitisen Shinyamin, Atakomba Manaye, and of course, another gig, I missed the post yet 1 July, Gualano, Link at the Kamalam Lel. As you can see there. So obviously this is actually a beef with the comments that the one master very good beef wa manyangati. English van maga confirm a so shong na so gezano is the same person Louis ang ading gensaka beef at bifan manyagas the commis. So shlo abayas at the fence. I'm sure already got me so abayas at the fence. Anga Steve la anga imako because oh yeah, I go post account na ku check because I haven't posted la first time shono atsale ku yi I'm video for doing chingela post and to good but maybe something went on. Ele post ko ya ko the 17th May. I'll show you tong long with the 15th June. I'll show you tong with the guys already ivuyini ga beef. Ndanga fatsela ko mina ni the first time is the post woman ga beef. Anzange ni ku miss the post as you can see leswa nga fa kumisa sho video a endlini show already leswa akha kombisa ko the first fake to huma ka beef and stuff like that. But the same person walo post liya na ku tlhe ivuyela kambe walo I beef manyangatsi. So sorry guys, I'm not getting now man. You are confusing the fence. Inchi isu shindla kumara. Lokura mgeza subscribe anta komela mteka subscribe.